How to start Windows 11 in safe mode. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, to start Windows 11 in safe mode, you can use the Start menu. Simply, you need to click on Windows button and then click on Shutdown or Sign Out button, and here you will see again a menu where you need to simply hold the Shift key and click Restart. On the options screen, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced option, click Startup Settings, and click Restart. Press F4 to boot into safe mode. Method 2 through recovery options. You can easily go to Windows search icon at bottom left and search for setting. Open it. Now go to System. Go to Recovery section. And now under Advanced Startup, you need to click Restart Now button. Then you simply need to follow Troubleshoot, then Advanced option, again Startup setting, then Restart. Again you have to press F4 to enter safe mode. These are basically two ways to start Windows 11 in safe mode. I hope this guide works. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.